9th Standard Science, Unit 7, Heat Lesson, Book Back Answers Papo. Take page number 88. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. First one, calorie is the unit of heat. Second one, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Third one, two cylindrical rods of same length have the area of cross section in the ratio 2:1. If both the rods are made up of same material, which of them conduct heat faster? Option C answer, rod 1. Fourth one, in which mode of transfer of heat molecules pass on heat energy to neighboring molecules without actually moving from their positions? Option A answer, radiation. Fifth one, a device in which the loss of heat due to conduction, convection and radiation is minimized is option D, thermos flask. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the fastest mode of heat transfer is radiation. Second one, during daytime air blows from sea to land. Third one, liquid and gases are generally poor conductor of heat. Fourth one, the fixed temperature at which matter changes state from solid to liquid is called melting point. And Roman letter 3, assertion and reason type questions. First one, assertion. Food can be cooked faster in vessels with copper bottom. Reason, copper is the best conductor of heat. This one answer is option A. If both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. And second one, assertion. Maximum sunlight reaches Earth's surface during the noon time. Then reason, heat from the sun reaches Earth's surface by radiation. Second one answer is option B. If both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Next, third one, assertion. When water is heated up to 100 degrees Celsius, there is no rise in temperature until all water gets converted into water vapor. Then reason, boiling point of water is 10 degrees Celsius. For this answer is option C. If assertion is true but reason is false. Fourth Roman letter, answer briefly. First one, define conduction. Take page number 81. The process of transfer of heat in solids from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature without the actual movement of molecules is called conduction. The first question. Second one, ice is kept in a double-walled container. Why? Answer, an ice box is made of double wall and the space between the walls is filled with some non-conducting materials to provide heat insulation so that the loss of heat can be minimized. Hence, ice is kept in a double-walled container. Third one, how does the water kept in an earthen pot remain cool? As the water speeds out of the earthen pot, it gets evaporated and takes away heat from the vessel. The water in the pot gets cooled. Fourth question, differentiate convection and radiation. Convection, the process of transfer of heat in which the heated molecules of a liquid or gas themselves move to carry heat from the hot to the cold ends is called convection. Example, land and sea breeze. Convection needed matter to be present. Next one, radiation. The process of transfer of heat in which a material medium is not necessary. Heat is directly transferred from the hot body to the cold body is called radiation. Example, transfer of heat energy from the sun. Radiation can occur even in vacuum. இது differentiate பண்ணி எழுதிக்கோங்க. Fifth question, Why do people prefer wearing white clothes during summer? Answer. White clothes absorb the least heat from the sun and hence keep us comfortable in summer. On the other hand, dark colored clothes absorb more heat from the sun and keep us warm in winter. Sixth one, what is specific heat capacity? The equation number 85. Specific heat capacity of a substance is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature 1 kg of the substance by 1 degree Celsius or 1 K. இது வரைக்கும் 6th question answer. 7th one, define thermal capacity. The equation number 85. Heat capacity or thermal capacity is defined as the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of a body by 1 degree Celsius. Heat capacity equal to quantity of heat required by raising temperature. C is equal to Q by T. இது வரைக்கும் 4th Roman letter 7th question answer. 8th one, define specific latent heat capacity. Equation number 87. Specific latent heat is the amount of the heat energy absorbed or liberated by unit mass of a substance during change of state without causing any change in temperature. வரைக்கும் 4th Roman letter 8th question answer. 5th Roman letter answer in detail. First one, explain convection in daily life. Take page number 82. Convection in daily life. Hot air balloons. Air molecules at the bottom of the balloon get heated by a heat source and rise. As the warm air rises, cold air is pushed downwards and it also heated. When the hot air is trapped inside the balloon, it rises. Next one, breezes. During daytime, the air's contact with the land become hot and rises. Now the cool air over the surface of the sea replaces it. It is called sea breeze. During night time, air above the sea is warmer. As the warmer air over the surface of the sea rises, cooler air above the land moves towards the sea. It is called land breeze. Next one, winds. Air flows from area of high pressure to area of low pressure. The warm air molecules over hot surface rise and created low pressure. So cooler air with high pressure flows towards low pressure area. This causes wind flow. Then chimneys. Tall chimneys are kept in kitchen and industrial furnaces. As the hot gases and smoke are lighter, they rise up in the atmosphere. இது வரைக்கும் 5th Roman letter first detailed answer. Second one, what are the changes of state in water? Explained. Take page number 86. Change of state. The process of changing of a substance from one physical state to another at a definite temperature is known as change of state. For example, water molecules are in liquid state at normal temperature. When water is heated to 100 degrees Celsius, it becomes steam, which is gaseous state of matter. On reducing the temperature of the steam, it becomes water again. If we reduce the temperature further to 0 degrees Celsius, it becomes ice, which is a solid state of water. Ice on heating becomes water again. Those water changes its state when there is a change in temperature. There are different such processes in the change of state in matter. இந்த diagram draw பண்ணிக்கங்க. Next one, melting, freezing. The process in which a solid is converted to liquid by absorbing heat is called melting or fusion. The temperature at which solid change is its state to liquid is called melting point. The reverse of melting, freezing. The process in which a liquid is converted to solid by releasing heat is called freezing. The temperature at which liquid changes its state to solid is called freezing point. In the case of water, melting and freezing occurs at 0 degree Celsius. Boiling, condensation. The process in which liquid is converted to vapor by absorbing heat is called boiling or vaporization. The temperature at which a liquid changes its state to gas is called boiling point. The process in which a vapor is converted to liquid by releasing heat is called condensation. The temperature at which vapor changes its state to liquid is called condensation point. Boiling point as well as condensation point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Then sublimation. Some solids like dry ice, iodine, frozen, carbon dioxide and naphthalene balls change directly from solid state to gaseous state without becoming liquid. The process in which a solid is to gaseous state is called sublimation. Second detailed answer. Third detail, how can you experimentally prove water is a bad conductor of heat? How is it possible to heat water easily while cooking? Answer, how fill a test tube with cold water, wrap a piece of ice in white gas and drop it in the tube. First point, it will sink to the bottom. Second point, now heat the top end of the test tube. Third point, the water soon begin to boil at the top, but the ice below has still not fully melted. The diagram draw பண்ணிக்கங்க. This activity shows that water is a bad conductor of heat. It does not easily conduct heat from the top of the bottom of the test tube. Then option B, it is possible to heat water easily while cooking. First point, fill a test tube with cold water. Second point, drop an ice cube in this water. Third point, now heat the water from below. Fourth point, you will find that the ice melt quickly. This shows that though water is a bad conductor of heat, heat easily flows upward in it. This method of transfer of heat is called convection. This method is involving in cooking. Diagram draw பண்ணிக்கங்க. இது வரைக்கும் third detailோட answer.